guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Val, and today I'm going to be doing an apartment haul for all the things that I got from my apartment so far. If you want to see what I got, stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I just did a little bit of shopping around, mostly at Ross and Marshall's, for all the things that I needed for my apartment. And my apartment is fully furnished. It's like a 10-minute drive from campus, and it's fully furnished, so it comes with like all the stationary items like a TV, a mattress, a bed. Well, that is a mattress. Yeah, a refrigerator, a microwave, and like tables and like the whole set that would normally be like in a house or whatever. So like all me and my roommates, I'm living with my friends, you know, my roommates. All we had to do was get like little items like for our bathrooms, because we each have our own bathrooms and we're sharing the kitchen. I didn't get like every single item that I would need, because we're kind of like sharing who's coming with what or whatever. So the things that I have are like mostly for my room and my bathroom, and some things for the kitchen, but like they're bringing some other things. So if you don't see some things here, just know that they got it. So yeah, y'all, all I'm gonna say is adulting is ghetto. G-H-E-T-T-O. It's ghetto. Like, why do things cost so much money? I wasn't ready for this, and like I don't like this. Like I can't afford to be an adult so far. Sorry y'all, it's really hot. Yeah, I can't afford to be an adult so far. Like it's expensive. I'm at the store just like looking at like random stuff, like why do bath mats cost so much money? Like the little rugs you put in the bathroom, why they cost so much money, you know? Like why they don't come with the house, you know? Like why do I have to buy curtains, you know? Like it's just like random things. Like I just want to steal stuff from my house, but my mom won't let me, so I had to buy things myself, and I went broke. Let me tell y'all right now, like it's just, even though it's like Ross and Marshall, so things are like really like not expensive, it still costs so much money. Anyways, enough of me ranting about how ghetto adult life is so far. Let's start. So yeah, as I mentioned before, I went to Ross and Marshall's mostly, and then some things are also from Walmart. And I didn't really get like a lot of things for decor, because I'm gonna be living like right across from Target. So it's like it's not really that serious right now. Like I should just walk to Target, or like just go to Target and get stuff. And yeah, so first thing we're gonna start with is this comforter. Oh my gosh, I almost died. Yeah, got this comforter from Gourmet Washed. Yeah, we're gonna go with that. Gourmet Wash 3-piece ultra soft comforter set, and it's gray, and it just comes with 2 shams. And like per my last video, I did not want to get a comforter, I wanted to get a quilt set. But then when I went back to the store, there were no more quilt sets, and the ones that were there were ugly and pink. And you know me, I like blue. So I was like, well, I guess I have to get a comforter set, and this one was like basic, like I just went with this because it's gray. It's gonna go with anything, you know? But yeah, it was just this basic comforter, and it's gonna literally, like all these things that I'm buying, it's like an investment. I'm gonna keep these things forever. Like I'm never buying it again. And then I got this shower liner from this brand called Bali something, I don't know. It's just a basic white shower liner, and of course you need a shower liner and a shower curtain. Most people just use a liner, but like I wanted a liner and a curtain because I want my bathroom to look nice. So yeah, I got this shower curtain, and it is so pretty. Like look at this, it's so cute. And it was like $12, and it's like it comes with the rings or whatever. And then like a lot of shower curtains that I saw didn't come with rings, so I was just like, yeah, this is nice, you know? So yeah, it comes with rings, and it's like this light blue mint material. Wow, okay, can you not? Yeah, this light blue mint material with like a texture. It's really nice, and it matches my rugs. I'm about to show you that in a minute if I can find it. Next, I got this 3-piece rug, and this is what I got in my last video when I was like apartment haul shopping. Apartment shopping. Why do I keep saying haul? I don't know, that's my favorite word. I just love buying things. Yeah, I got this whatchamacallit, bath rugs, yeah. And it's just, doesn't it match? It's so cute, and I really just wanted a 3-piece one, even though I'm pretty sure my bathroom is not big enough to fit all 3 of these in there. But we're gonna make it work, and like I said, these are all investment pieces, so wherever I live next, I'm never buying a bath rug again. I'm gonna use the same one, period. So yeah, my bathroom's gonna look so cute. I hope. Next thing I got was this 6-piece full sheet set, and it's from this brand called Daisy Fuentes, and it's like it has these like crown patterns, looking royalty looking kind of patterns or whatever, and it's golden white, and I was like, golden white and gray, you can't go wrong, you know. It's cute, and it comes with 4 pillowcases, and yeah. So, and this was from TJ Maxx. I got this planner. Remember I told you guys to get a planner. I got this basic planner. It says Hello 2020, and I took my own advice because I didn't have a planner last year. And remember, like my college advice video, I told you guys to get a planner because like you will need it and it helps out a lot. Like I got one, y'all. I'm following my own advice this year. This is already a good sign. This school semester is going to be awesome. You know, all A's, 4.0 season, period. Anyways, yeah, it's just a basic planner. I have this 10-piece measuring set because I'm gonna be doing a lot of cooking in the kitchen, y'all. Y'all could come over. I might kill y'all a little bit because I don't know how my cooking is. Like, it's good to me, you know. But yeah, I got this 10-piece cooking set, and I really needed this because like I know like I'm not like a natural cook. Like I get recipes off Google, and they're like, use a teaspoon of this, use 2 cups of that, and I'm just like, ma'am, like I don't have measuring cups. Like I need this. So things are gonna be tasting exactly how they're supposed to taste this year because we got this. Yeah, I got knives from Sunkissed, and it's a 3 soft grip chef, utility, and paring knife. So yeah, and it's blue, my favorite color. As you can tell, like basically everything that I get it's really blue. So yeah, it's like prep like a pro with these essential knives, stainless steel blades. Yep, get you some easy slicing. Like, y'all, my kitchen, these foods I'm about to make this year, y'all, like, this isn't really like go with the theme of things from my apartment, but I got it anyways. I needed it. So yeah, I got this book bag from Jansport at Marshall's because I really needed a book bag, and this one is like made to carry a laptop and several books or whatever. And the other Jansport backpack that I have is like this really bright teal color, and it's like not fit for a laptop, but I would stuff my laptop in there, and it kind of like, you know, like ripped or whatever, like not rip, but like the strings were coming apart because I was putting way too much pressure on it. So I got a new one, and this one is very sturdy, and I love Jansport. Since we're going off topic here, when I was at Marshall's, I couldn't help myself, like I got this sweater or top, I don't know what to call it. Yeah, I got it at Marshall's. Bulldogs, you already know, go dogs, period, you know. So, and it wasn't even that expensive, you know. It was like close to $20, but that's cheaper than anything you'll find at the UGA bookstore. Like, I'm telling you, don't buy apparel, books, anything from the UGA bookstore, y'all. Like, don't do it. They're cheaper everywhere else. Literally any store you go to has like UGA apparel cheaper than what you get at UGA. Like, hey, I got this basic hamper because the hamper that I bought for my dorm last year, like I'm still using it, but like one of the strings broke like halfway through the year. I was still using it because it's a hamper. I don't care. But yeah, I got this basic mesh one. Even though I don't like mesh, this was just like basic. Like, it's gonna stay in my room all the time. I really don't care. And then a cutting board, because I was tired of cutting things on plates. Like, since I didn't have, me and my friends didn't have meal plan last semester, like we would cook a lot more often because we have nothing else to eat. eat. So we would use like plates to cut stuff on, and it was just ghetto. I was like, we need to upgrade, y'all. So got this basic blue cutting board. You already know blue, my favorite color. And so we don't have to be ghetto anymore. We could be normal people and use a cutting board. Then I got what do you call this? A set of 5 kitchen tools. You know, this basic set, like you already know what's in here. So yeah, got it from Ross. Then I got for my bathroom, I got this what do you call this? What do you call this? This soap dispenser and this toothbrush holder. And yeah, it's really simple and clean and really nice looking. Got it from Ross. This was $6.99 and this was $5.99. So yeah. And then I got this shower inside the shower caddy because I really want to just keep my soaps and like everything in one place. And I don't know, I forgot how my bathtub is gonna be looking. I don't know if it has like an area to put my like soaps and body washes on, but I just wanted to make sure that I had this so I could put it like around my shower ting or whatever, and just always have my stuff ready for me when I get in the shower, because you know we're not living that dorm life anymore. We don't have to carry an actual shower caddy and have our soaps in it and stuff. Like, we've upgraded, y'all. We're adults now, sadly. And then I got these are my favorite items. I don't know why I'm like this. Like I said, my theme, I don't think I told you guys my theme. Like, I don't know if I really have a theme. Like, I don't think I have a theme. But yeah, but the theme that I was trying to have is like blue, gray, and like earthy kind of, you know? Like, by earthy I mean like have plants in it. Like, so of course I had to get succulents. Look at this, it's so cute. Like, I got this from Marshall's, and of course it's fake because I don't trust myself with live things, as I've said before. And this was only $2, y'all. $2. Like, the most I've seen succulents, like the cheapest I've seen them is maybe like about like $5 maybe, like not on sale. But this was only $2, and this is so cute. That was succulent number 1. And then succulent number 2, it's kind of like this blue color, kind of. Yeah, it's this blue color, and it's just so nice. And this was on sale for $5.50. Then last but not least, this basic, like mosaic kind of vase one. It's just basic. So cute. And this one was on sale. It was $7 though. But like, y'all, these are so nice. Like, and what I found out about myself is, like, I thought I loved the succulent, like the actual plant, but I just love the vases that it's in, because like it just gives it such a vibe, you know, like earthy, you know. So yeah, it gives it a vibe and it just goes with it, and it's so nice. Like y'all, we're saving the earth this year. Those might be fake, but we're saving the earth. No more straws. Stop using plastic straws, y'all. We're trying to save the turtles. Stop. Anyways, I think that's all for the like Ross, Marshall, and TJ Maxx stuff. Now we're going to Walmart, and I just got like basic things from Walmart. I got this these curtains, these basic blue, dark blue curtains for my room, and it's a blackout panel. It blocks 99% of light, and it's an efficient energy source, I guess. But yeah, I just wanted curtains because I will be having a window in my room. Yeah, so I just wanted to make sure that I get some good sleep, because it'd be bright out there and I don't need that energy when I'm trying to sleep, you know. And then I got a hydro flask. Yep. It's a marble thing. Okay, just gonna wait for it to focus. Yeah, it's a marble theme hydro flask, and it's really nice. And the hydro flask that I got last year for my dorm, it was like a rose gold color. Halfway through the year, basically, like it started getting like gross. It started smelling like metallic no matter how much I cleaned it. And so I was like, I'm not about to die because of a hydro flask. So I stopped using it. Because if I'm gonna die in a cool way. Like, not because of some stupid water bottle, you know? Like, it really tried it. It really tried it. So I stopped using that and I just went back to like regular non-hydro flask bottles because hydro flasks are kind of overrated sometimes. But they keep this, like, I keep it in my book bag all day and my water would be nice and fresh. I just fill it up at the water fountain. And yeah, so I thought I would get a new one because if this tries to kill me too, then we have a problem. Okay, next I got, you can tell my favorite color. I got these blue tumblers. Yeah, these teal tumblers. They're just basic, and there's 4 of them because I have 4 roommates, and hope they're bringing more glasses. Because if we have guests over, then the guest's not gonna have nothing to drink out of, and that's not my problem. But yeah, got these tumblers or whatever. They were like 88 cents. Then I got these this set of spoons and forks. I didn't get knives because I don't care that much for butter knives. Like, they're kind of unnecessary. Who uses butter knives anymore, you know? Like, use a real knife, you know? So yeah, got these. They were like 80 cents each, I think, and they're like a set of 4. And then what else? And I got this plastic bowl, and a set of 4 as well. And then it also came like a long plate, like underneath, like a set of 4 plates. But then I realized at the checkout that the plates were like non-microwavable, and I kind of need my plates to be microwavable. And I almost returned this as well, but I was like, this can be for my cereal, just to like hold things in. So I'm not gonna put this in the microwave because I don't want it, like, the microwave to explode or whatever. Then I gotta pay for the microwave, and it's a whole thing. So I'm gonna just get real plates, or no, I'm gonna just wait for my roommates to get real plates. And last but not least, this just came in the mail yesterday. I bought this tapestry off Amazon yesterday, and it's just black and white themed with elephants on it or whatever, and it was so nice. I was really looking for something to put on my wall because I didn't want my wall to be like bland and basic, you know, but I'm not trying to hang anything up there like paintings or whatever, because like I'm just not about that classy lifestyle. Like, I'm a young hot girl because it's a hot girl summer. So I was like, hot girls get tapestry on their walls because, you know, we have a vibe, you know, going on. I think I want to do an apartment haul for you guys because I want to make my apartment look good. Like, I want y'all to see it, you know? So yeah, that's all that I got from my apartment so far, you guys. And like I said, the things that you don't see in this video, like, my roommates most likely are the ones getting it. And I just have like a few more things to buy, like, I can't remember off the top of my head, but I have a few more things to buy, but I'm gonna buy that like before I move in or like after I've moved in. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that it gave you some ideas, and I hope that you felt the vibe of not wanting to be an adult yet with me, because I want to be an adult, but I just don't want to spend adult money. Like, this was a lot, you know, and I'm not even done yet. Like, my bank account is crying right now. But we're growing up, you know, it's a part of life. So yeah, I hope that you guys really enjoyed the video, and I hope it gave you some ideas to get for your apartment. And just make sure that you be on the lookout because I'll have an apartment haul coming soon. Apartment tour. Yeah, this was the haul. Yeah, I have an apartment tour coming soon for you guys, and just like, subscribe, and comment, so stay tuned. You know, I got y'all, and just let me know what you want to see next, and I'll do it, you know. So yeah, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.
Brown skin girl, your skin just like pearls, your black